So what we're looking for is the signature of a black hole. What happens there? What happens in that environment? Well, usually what happens is there's a ring of gas in a very tight orbit around that black hole. And that ring of gas is rotating very, very quickly, of course, because the black hole mass is huge.
One way to recognize the presence of a black hole would be to measure its influence on the stars and gas that are close to it.
Hubble has greatly contributed to astronomers' knowledge of dark energy and how this mysterious, little understood phenomenon is speeding up the very same expansion of the universe discovered by Edwin Hubble decades before.
What everybody believed was that the universal expansion was slowing down due to gravity. I mean, it made sense. There's no anti-gravity that we know of, but there is now.
In Hubble's 20 short years, we've learned more about our universe than in the nearly 400 since Galileo first peered into his modest telescope. Hubble's last servicing mission marks the telescope's new beginning. More powerful than ever, it will lead our exploration of the cosmos for several years to come.
To come to the end of that time and release Hubble and think, everything we came to do got done, made me feel really proud about the whole team, the way we'd worked together, hopeful for the future with Hubble that everything we'd done actually worked and when they checked it out, and just thinking about what Hubble could do now that we'd given it a new lease on life. It was very rewarding.
Not many humans get to work on things that 100 years from now, history will remember. Hubble is certainly one of them.
The Hubble touches people not only for the science, but it touches people for its aesthetics and its beauty. And the people that choose what to study have done the right thing. They've done an extraordinary job of not only getting great science, but also the beauty of the universe.
400 years from now, they'll look back and they'll say, well, the Hubble really did change the way we see the universe.
I think the scientific legacy is that textbooks have been rewritten because of Hubble. I think the fact that we didn't know 20 years ago about black holes or exosolar planets or galaxy evolution, dark energy, we didn't know we could measure dark matter. I mean, we're at a point in our history where we have now discovered we only understand 4% of the universe. The rest of it is completely unknown.
Waiting in the wings is NASA's Next Generation Telescope. When it is launched in 2014, the James Webb Space Telescope will soar deeper into space and look even farther back in time to unexplored territory at the beginning of our universe.
And the Hubble has shown us, if you like, the peaks of the iceberg, those very first galaxies. The James Webb Telescope is going to penetrate right into what we call these dark ages, where those very first galaxies are probably lurking, out of sight from us currently.
The Hubble telescope has made a remarkable journey, from imagination to reality. It has not only transformed the way we view the universe, but also fundamentally changed how we view ourselves, our place in the ever-expanding cosmos, and the never-ending journey before us.
Hubble Space Telescope. Since the earliest days of astronomy, since the time of Galileo Galilei, astronomers have shared a single goal: to see more, see farther, and see deeper. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, sped humanity to one of its greatest advantages in the journey. Hubble Telescope, that orbits the Earth, its position above the atmosphere which distorts the black and the light reaches our planet, gives its view to the universe that typically far surpasses that of ground-based telescope.
Did you know that Hubble is one of NASA's most successful and lasting science missions? It has been hundreds of thousands of images back to Earth, shedding light on many of great mysteries of astronomy. Its gaze has helped determine the age of the universe, the identity, quasars, and the existence of dark energy.
Many discoveries. Hubble has revealed the age of the universe to about 30 to 14 million years. Much more accurate than the old range of anywhere about 10 to 20 years. Hubble played a key role in the discovery of dark energy, a mysterious force that causes the expansion of the universe to